Have you ever wondered how to start investing in cryptocurrency without losing your shirt? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to talk about the top 3 crypto investment strategies for beginners. I'll share some simple tips and tricks to help new investors get started on the right foot. Let's dive in. Strategy 1. The slow and steady approach. Our first strategy is perfect for those who like to play it safe. Think of it like planting a little money seed and watching it grow over time. Here's how it works. Pick a popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are like the big trees in the crypto forest. They've been around for a while and have strong roots. Set aside a small amount of money each week or month to buy some crypto. It could be as little as $10 or $20, whatever you feel comfortable with. The key is to be consistent. Use a reputable crypto exchange app to make your purchases. It's kind of like having a piggy bank on your phone, but for digital money. Don't panic if the price goes up and down. Remember, we're thinking long-term here. Just keep adding your little bits of money regularly. Strategy 2. The crypto basket approach. Our second strategy is for those who like a little variety in their life. Instead of putting all your eggs in one crypto basket, you spread them around. Here's the scoop. Research different types of cryptocurrencies. There are lots out there besides Bitcoin, like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. Each one has its special features. Choose a handful of cryptos that you think have potential. Maybe pick 5 or 6 to start with. Divide your investment money equally among these different cryptos. For example, if you have $100 to invest, you might put $20 into each of 5 different cryptocurrencies. Keep an eye on how they're doing, but don't obsess over daily price changes. Think of it like tending a little crypto garden. Some plants might grow faster than others. Strategy 3. The learn and earn approach. Our third strategy is perfect for those who love to learn new things. Some crypto platforms reward you with free crypto for learning about different coins and technologies. Here's how to make the most of it. Sign up for crypto platforms that offer learn and earn programs. Coinbase is a popular one that does this. Watch short videos or take quick quizzes about different cryptocurrencies. It's like crypto school, but way more fun. Earn small amounts of free crypto for completing these educational tasks. It might not be a lot, but hey, free is free. Use this as a way to start building your crypto knowledge and your crypto stash at the same time. It's like getting paid to do your homework. So there you have it, folks. 3 simple strategies to help you start your crypto adventure. Remember, the key is to start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto can be a wild ride, but with these beginner-friendly approaches, you can buckle up and enjoy the journey. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Hit subscribe to catch more crypto tips and tricks, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.